Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. If you're currently going through a situation where you're scared to finally take a leap of faith, you're scared to finally launch your business, you're scared to finally launch your first YouTube video, you're scared to finally, enroll yourself onto college, whatever it is that you're scared of right now, this is your chance to just take the leap of faith and jump right into it. There's nothing that's going to make your fears any better than you sitting and not doing anything about it. That space that you're creating between you doing what you're scared of, you're leaving so much room for all the things that could possibly go wrong. Building up all the irrational fears in your head. You're thinking of the worst possible scenarios. You're thinking, what if I fail? What if no one buys my product? What if no one is interested in what I have to say? You're creating all these different visions, all these different scenarios that possibly may not happen. When it comes to making sure that you're attacking your fears, you have to think, you can't think what's the worst that could happen, because if you think of the worst thing that could happen, you'll find so many reasons not to go ahead with something. You find that you're putting yourself in a worse position. So you have to just be scared but do it anyways, and then see what the outcome would be. Fine, if it doesn't go your way, then at least you know you tried. At least you know that you put yourself out there, you push yourself out of your comfort zone, you were able to overcome your fears. You won't even realize how much better you feel once you've put yourself in that position, once you finally released your book that you've been writing for years but you're scared that no one will read it. Even if it means that one person has read it, you've actually done better because you've got yourself out of your comfort zone. Somebody has actually gained something. Your book has gained of value to somebody else. You don't know how much other people value your skills if you're too scared to actually release and step out of your comfort zone. So make sure that you're pushing yourself to do better. In order to become the best version of yourself, you have to step out of your comfort zone, and that means conquering your fears. That means being able to face your fears head on, even if it means being able to dig deeper into mentally and being able to deal with mental issues. You just have to put yourself out there and conquer those fears. Put yourself out there. For example, some people have social anxiety. You're not going to overcome social anxiety by staying with the people that you know. You have to be able to work towards being able to put yourself in a position where your fears seem smaller than they actually are. If you're scared of speaking in big crowds, you have to start bit by bit. Start with 5 people, start with 10 people, and then eventually build the audience. You can't just be scared to do things and live in a bubble. The only thing that can come from you overcoming your fear is progress. You're only going to become better. You're not gonna even dig yourself into a deeper hole by trying to attack your fears, by trying to conquer your fears. You have to make sure that you're putting yourself out there. You're constantly trying to become a better you. You're constantly trying to push your boundaries, and you see that there's greater progress on the other side of fear. So if you're currently scared to put yourself out there, whether it's starting your own business, whether it's going into school, whether it's enrolling yourself onto a new course, whether it's even something as small as joining a gym class, whatever it may be, just make sure that you're taking action. Thank you for joining me today. Leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your fears and how you've managed to conquer them, and I'll see you in my next one.